Hi, I'm Melanie, and today I'm going to show you how to make Beauty and the Beet. With this, you're going to be using David Rio's Tortoise Green Tea Chai and the Super Blends Beet Latte. The Beet Latte is enhanced with superfoods like goji berry, it has beet, and it has agave. And the green tea chai has a little bit of a nutty sweetness to it that I really like. For this, you'll be needing a barista whisk or a spoon, just something to stir with, a tablespoon scoop, and 12 ounces of your milk of choice. I like to use oat milk because then the drink is lactose free, but you are more than welcome to use whole milk or non-fat milk. So we're gonna need 1 tablespoon of the beet latte. I already have it poured into my steam pitcher. Then 3 tablespoons of the tortoise green tea chai. 1, 2, 3. Once you have everything in your steam pitcher, add 1 to 2 ounces of hot water and use your barista whisk or a spoon to stir it. Make sure that you incorporate all of the clumps. That way you don't find pockets of powder in your drink. There we go. Then get your milk and pour it into your steam pitcher. I have a 16-ounce glass with ice in it, so you're just gonna get your Beauty and the Beet and pour it into your glass. And it's ready to serve. For more recipes, visit our website, davidrio.com. We'll be posting how to make it hot, how to make it ice, and other ways that you can serve our chai.